What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Los here with my first video on this channel, man. This channel gonna be strictly trading, you feel me? Day in the life of a trader, of a day trader, you know what I'm saying, when niggas start really making that pay. This channel gonna be basically documenting the whole journey from now, starting now, to a year from now when niggas in McLarens and shit like that, man. So y'all can see where all this shit started from. You feel me? I'm gonna be live trading, showing my setups, doing all that good stuff, and at the same time, like, even though I'm helping y'all with these videos, like, I'm gonna be helping myself, because like me being able to reflect on my trade, see what I'm going good, see what I'm doing bad, so ultimately I know what I need to be doing, what I need not to be doing, you feel me? So this channel gonna be lit, you feel me? If you trying to make a shit ton of money, man, tap into this channel, man. We gonna get lit, man. Like I said, we gonna document the whole journey from now to a year from now, you feel me? Yeah, after that, this shit is gonna keep going. Y'all gonna be able to see this first video right here next year, and then be able to be like, damn, and then it came a long way from just a year ago, you feel me? So we finna go ahead and jump into this video, man. I'm gonna show y'all how I made $2,000 today, March 7th, you feel me? 2025. I'm gonna show y'all how I made $2,000 on this setup on USDJPY. You see I have my whole chart marked up. I'm about to erase all this, start from the beginning, show y'all what I do when I come to sit down at the chart. So, boom. Let's see. I'm going to play this back to like 8:30. So I usually come and sit down at the chart at about 8:30. Sometimes I come earlier, but 8:30 is that magic time for me. So, boom. What I do is I go back to the previous day. We mark the previous day low, which will be right here. Previous day low. And we're gonna mark the previous day high from the previous day. So the previous day high will be up here. We're gonna mark this. We'll mark that right there. Alright, previous day high. Then we go back to the previous day low, but the day before that. So we mark the previous day low and the previous day high from the two previous trading days. So that'd be today Friday, that'd be Thursday and Wednesday. So this right here, hold on, my bad, y'all. This right here I mark as 2 PDL because it's 2 previous days ago. And then right here it'd be the 2 PDH, the second previous day high. Alright, bet we got that. Alright, cool. So now we always start off. We take our entries on the 1 minute and the 5 minute candle, you feel me? That's what we mostly looking at. But when we marking up our chart, we always gotta start from the higher time frames just to see what, try to get an idea what price wanna go. Bro, I'm telling y'all master this shit, bro. You can't tell me nothing about this strategy. Like, this shit be spot on. So look, we go to the, my bad. We go to the weekly chart first. We go to the weekly chart first, see what's going on. Alright, so check it out. We can see that, alright, boom, on the weekly, we basically in an uptrend altogether, but we having a pull back to like a demand level. So right here you can see we actually got this weekly demand right here. So we're gonna mark that as weekly. Weekly demand. Alright, that's basically all I see on the weekly. I don't really see nothing else. I mean, we can mark this weekly supply up here, but that's far away. No point in marking that off. So we go down to the daily. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. So on the daily, we can see that we got this daily demand right here. Template. Daily demand. Like I told y'all, we can see, hold on, control. We can see prices ultimately in an uptrend, but we having to pull back down to a demand level. You can see right here, up here. Price came off of this. Basically, this daily supply. What day was this? This was back in the beginning of January. Price came off this daily supply level right here. We got this push down. All right, cool. Now we finding demand. Let me see. All right, we got this daily demand zone right here. That's the next target for price. If price break past this weekly demand, so that's what we got right now. Also, you can see right here too. We gotta, let me zoom back in so y'all can see this better. You can see right here, we got this daily supply level right here. Template. Price came down, came back up, tapped that daily supply. Perfect. Now we got another push down. So ultimately, we're looking for a demand level right now. All right, cool. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, let me go ahead and delete that back. My bad, y'all. Remove. Let me get this shit off the chart. Alright, we on the 4 hour now. Same thing. Kind of came up, tapped into that 4 hour supply levels. We ain't completely touch it, but we came up there. Had this push down, consolidated, came down. As y'all can see, man, we right now in a short term, like I said, short term bear move. So we looking for a demand level for this to come back down to and shoot back up. Alright, 4 hour. Let's zoom out, see what we got. Perfect. Alright. So we got this 4 hour. We got this 4 hour demand zone right here. That's gonna be the first target for price right now. So let's see what's going on. 4 hour demand zone right there. I don't really see no 4 hour supply. I mean, we can mark this off, but we can mark that off. 4 hour supply, we can mark that off. Even though we're looking for demand zones. Go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, same thing. We can mark this 1 hour supply zone up here. Template. You can see, here goes. You can see we came off of this 1 hour supply zone right there. Came down, came back up, tapped that 1 hour supply zone to the pit basically. Now we have another move. We plan on breaking this structure right here. We got equal lows right here. This is gonna break and probably go down to this 4 hour demand zone before it shoot up a little bit. Alright, cool. Just another confirmation that we looking for bearish moves. We looking for sales. So let's go ahead and try to see. We got a 1 hour demand zone somewhere. Damn. Alright, cool. We got one right there. Template. 1 hour demand. Alright, cool. Let's go back. Alright, so like I said, this 4 hour demand zone, that's going to be our first target for price. Price breaks past that. We're looking for the weekly demand and the 1 hour demand so far. Alright, so the next time frame we go to the 15 minute. Everything looking bearish right now, man. We looking for sales, 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 sales. That's what we looking for right now. So if y'all can see, man, we got a 15 minute supply zone in confluence with the 1 hour time zone. I mean, 1 hour supply zone. Alright, cool. So got the 15 minute. Let's see if we can zoom out and find a 15 minute demand zone. Oh, this is just open space, man. Oh, this is just open space. Alright, cool. Let's zoom in. We got a 15 minute. Alright, cool. We got a 15 minute. Right there. Perfect. Template. 15 minute demand. Cool. So we got our weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, then 15 minute zones marked off. Now, like I said, we take our entries off the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So we're going to go to the 5 minute candle. We're going to turn on our time zone indicator. So look, Like I said, man, we come and sit down at the chart at 8:30. What do I see? Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. What do I see? What do I see? We already tapped this 5-minute. We already tapped this 5-minute supply zone right here. You see that green candle? We got this big push down. Consolidated for a little bit through London session. Came up. Oh, time was that? 7:20. We tapped that 5-minute supply zone. Now we finna get another push down. Probably break this structure right here, this low right here. And you feel me? Come back up into a new supply zone that's gonna be made after 8:30. Alright, so let's see what happened. Go ahead and play. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, cool. So right here, man, y'all can see. Came up. Tapped this 15-minute supply zone. We tapped the 15-minute supply zone that we had marked off early that hadn't been touched yet. Y'all see it touched that shit perfect. Came back down. We in consolidation right now. Now, we got this supply zone right here. Mind you, we ain't really broke this low yet, so we gonna wait. I only like to take these zones if structure get broke. I mean, we did wick down below it, but I want to see a close below this low right here. So we're gonna see what's going on. Cool. Damn, pause, bitch. Alright, so look, we broke that low, closed below it. You feel me? We created a bunch of liquidity. Now, like I said, I'm waiting for price to come back up here. Matter of fact, let me go back to the 15-minute. Cool. Because the way I like to take these supply zones and demand zones, there has to be 2 time frame confluences. So like I marked off that 5-minute supply zone. Now I'm about to mark this off. This what it gotta look like for me to take this zone. It gotta be 2 time frames in sync. You feel me? Right next to each other, these 4 pips apart, for me to take this trade. You feel me? Let's go to the 1 minute. I'm sure it's a 1-minute supply zone close to. There you go, right there. So we got all 3 time frames in sync: the 1 minute, the 5-minute, and the 15-minute. So we got this 1-minute supply. So essentially, let's go back to the 5-minute. Like I said, now we waiting for price to come back, tap into this zone right here. Me personally, let me show y'all something. Me personally, like down here, it's about 50 pips to this low. Me personally, above this high, that's too much. 20 pips, I mean, it's not bad. I will wait for price to come not into the 15-minute, but the top one. So we're gonna wait for price to come into that 5-minute supply zone, so the stop loss can be a little bit smaller. It'll be around 12 pips opposed to 20 pips. So I'm waiting for price, because we clearly looking for sales. We clearly looking for a demand zone. Like I said, this would be the closest demand zone that I'm expecting price to tap into. But personally, this would be ideal. That's a 95 pip move. But this right here, this is a 60 pip move, bro. Like, that's a lot of pips. So I'm just taking price back down to the low. I'm not taking price all the way down here, man. Like, that's a long way. I'm taking price back. I'm taking price to this low, 60 pips. You don't want to be too greedy in this game. Even 60 pips, that's kind of greedy. You feel me? Depending on how you trade. But we're going to wait for price to come back up in here. And we're going to bring price back down here. That's going to be our take profit. All right, let's play. Boom. Boom. Hold on. Like, y'all see how precise this strategy is? Look how price came down. Matter of fact, it's a little bit more than 60 pips because it made a whole new low. So I'm going to keep I kept mine at around 60 pips because sometimes price don't like to go all the way down to that low. it'll come like right here and then it'll shoot back up. So I'm taking price to about 60 pips. I'm not going the whole low. I'm not going all the way down here. We're gonna go to the low. But y'all see, price don't want to close above that 5-minute supply zone. We tapped into that shit 3 times. Then going no drawdown. Like perfect. Then going no drawdown. Let's keep playing and see what happens. Bro, like, I don't know how many you had. If you would have caught this trade, you had so many chances to enter, bro. It tapped this zone 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times. And even if you needed another confirmation again to this trade, we shot down. We came down. Broke this structure level right here. Closed below it. Came back up and tapped back into the 15-minute supply zone. You could have entered in right there if you didn't want to enter in right here because you thought it was too risky. You could have entered in at this yellow line. But let's keep playing. See what happened. Boom. Shot down. Shot down. We had news right there, so it shot back up. Still, we had news. We had news. This shit shot back up. After it came down, it shot back up. It still barely went into drawdown, bro. We went into drawdown 4 pips. About 4 pips. My stop loss was above this high, so mine is about 12 pips. Now we coming back down. TP hit. Easy 60 pips. Easy 60 pips. We done for the day. We off the markets for the day. Like, that's $2,000. Somebody made $20,000 off the same trade. Somebody made $200,000 off the same trade. It's just about how much you willing to drop your balls and risk more leverage more. You feel me? That's 60 pips. Bro, that was a 1 to 5, bro. We risked 12 pips and got 60. It don't get no sweeter than that, man. Hey, man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. It's going to be a whole lot more videos like this, breaking down setups, teaching y'all, helping myself, you feel me? If y'all want to learn how to make some money, go ahead and tap in, man. This is the end of the video, man. We out.